Hello students, a very good afternoon to all of you. In the continuation of electric traction system, today we will discuss the series operation of series motor with unequal wheel diameter. In our last lecture we have discussed the parallel operation of series motor with unequal wheel diameter. So today we will discuss the series operation of series motor. So let the motor A and B, okay, this is the identical motors, okay, having the armature resistance capital R in series, okay, and the I current is flow through the both motors. So the voltage across the motor A is the VA and the voltage across the motor B is the VB. The V is the total voltage. V equals to, we can say, VA plus VB, okay. So I think it's okay. This is the so here VA is V equals to VA plus VB, and N is proportional to V minus IR. We have discussed it in our previous lecture, okay. The N is proportional to V minus IR, okay. So the NA upon NB equals to VA minus IR upon VB minus IR. So the VA minus IR equals to NA upon NB and VB minus IR, है ना. So the VA will be this expression plus IR. So the VA equals to NA N upon NB, and what is the VB? Basically VB is the V minus VA. So put the value of VB, and which is the V minus VA minus IR plus IR, okay. So sorry, so the VA will be NA upon NB and V minus IR plus IR minus NA upon NB VA. We basically multiplying the NA upon NB into the V minus VA and minus IR, okay. So this expression will become like this. Now this NA upon NB VA is transferred to here, so it will become the VA plus NA upon NB VA equals to NA upon NB V minus IR plus IR, okay. So the VA, by combining the VA, it will the 1 plus NA upon NB, which is equals to NA upon NB V minus IR plus IR. So the VA is NA upon NB V minus IR plus IR upon 1 plus NA upon NB. This is the value of VA, and similarly this is the value of VB, okay. So next is the series operation of shunt motor with unequal wheel diameter. So it is similar to the case of series operation of series motor, and hence the equation holds good. This is the series operation of the shunt motor. This is the shunt motor A and B, and this is the series operation, okay. So next is the parallel operation of shunt motor with unequal wheel diameter. So as seen from this figure, a small difference in speed of two motors causes motor to be loaded very unequally due to flat speed current curve of DC shunt motor. वैसे भी as we know that DC shunt motors are not more suitable or good suitable for the operation of the traction or traction purpose. The DC series motor are more suitable for traction purpose compared to the DC shunt motors. Okay, so thank you, that's all for today. The remaining is next.